Everybody, this is Amp Tech Ron coming to you from the Amp Lab with tricks of the trade, where I'm going to show you some real short little things on just some tricks that I use to fix stuff. And right off the bat, I'm going to apologize for the clickbait and using a much younger and more attractive model for what I'm going to show you today. But what you see here is my trusty piece of crap hair dryer. And what do I use that for, you say? When I get amplifiers that come in and they have heat dependent issues where they work fine, but they warm up and start messing up, I pull this out and I heat up the circuit board with this, and that'll usually induce the problems I want to see, because intermittents are the very hardest thing to solve. You have to first induce them to happen to, find out what's going on. And this does a really good job of that. It's not glamorous, but hey, it does the job. And at the same time, there's a counterpoint to this where they make a cooling spray that does the same thing. It allows you to stress a component with heat or cold to see if it's the source of your intermittent issue there. Hope this helps. See you next time on Tricks of the Trade.